Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can use gift cards on Chick-Fil-A. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Here is how you can use a gift card on the Chick-Fil-A app. Firstly, access the Chick-Fil-A app or install it. Then establish a Chick-Fil-A One account to start the process. After that, choose the scan option located at the bottom of your screen. Then select the Add Funds button beneath the QR code to proceed. Next, choose the Transfer a Gift Card option found at the bottom of the screen. After that, enter both the gift card number and PIN to complete the process. Once the gift cards have been loaded into a digital gift card on the Chick-Fil-A, now the card balance can only be viewed through the app. Then the physical plastic gift card will accurately display a balance of 0. So that's basically how you can use gift cards on Chick-Fil-A app. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.